Hello everyone, welcome to Tungal online classes. Let us continue our discussion on straight lines, right? Next problem, find the equation of the line whose slope is -2. Find the equation of the line whose slope is -2 and y-intercept is 3. Whose slope is -2 and y-intercept is 3. This is the question, right? Find the equation of the line whose slope is -2 and y-intercept is 3. Whose slope -2 means slope means m value, right? M is equal to -2 and whose y-intercept? Y-intercept notation is small c, right? Whose slope is -2 and y-intercept is 3, then find the equation of the line, right? What is the formula? Which formula is applicable for this problem? Clearly y equal to mx plus c, equation of the straight line in intercept form, right? Clearly m value they given and c value also given. Formula is y is equal to mx plus c, right? Then required equation is y is equal to -2x plus 3. Simply replace m value and c value, right? After that, just rearrangement. Take these two terms into LHS. 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is required equation of the line whose slope is -2 and y-intercept is 3, right? Next problem. Find the equation of the line whose slope is 3/2, whose slope is 3/2 and y-intercept is 9, and y-intercept is 9. Once again question, find the equation of the line whose slope is 3/2 and y-intercept is 9, right? Now clearly slope means m value they given, right? 3/2, and one more condition they have given, that is y-intercept. Already you know standard notation for y-intercept. What is y-intercept? Small c, right? That's equal to 9. Then equation of the straight line is, equation of the straight line when y-intercept and its slope is given, then what is formula? Equation of the straight line in intercept form, not intercept form, slope intercept form, right? Y is equal to mx plus c. This is standard equation of the straight line, slope m and y-intercept c, right? Now y is equal to m value is 3/2 into x remains as it is and c value 9, right? After that just simplification, on taking LCM it will be 2y is equal to 3x plus 18, right? After that just rearrangement, 3x minus 2y plus 18 equal to 0. This is required equation of the straight line, right? Next problem, find the equation of the line whose slope is -1/2, whose slope is -1/2 and y-intercept 4. In this case what they given? Slope of the line they have given and y-intercept they have given. Slope means small m value they given, right? Small m is equal to -1/2, and y-intercept means c value 4 they have given, right? Then find the equation of the straight line. When y-intercept and its slope is given, then formula is y is equal to mx plus c, right? Just replace m value as well as c value. Can you simplify? Yes, just replace m value. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x plus 4, right? Then just taking LCM and rearrangement, it will be 2y is equal to minus x plus 8, right? Just taking LCM. After that, just rearrangement, take these two terms into LHS, then plus x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. This is equation of the straight line whose slope is minus 1 by 2 and y-intercept is 4, right? Next, find the equation of the line, whose slope is 3 and y-intercept is minus 6. Whose slope is minus 3 and y-intercept plus 6, sorry. Whose slope is plus 3 and y-intercept minus 6. Question is, find the equation of the line whose slope is plus 3 and y-intercept is minus 6. Slope 3 means m value 3, right? And y-intercept means notation for y-intercept is c, that is minus 6. After that, what is equation of the straight line? Again same formula only, right? Y is equal to mx plus c. This is standard equation of the straight line when slope and its y-intercept is given, right? Then y is equal to, what is m value? 3 into x minus 6. Just rearrangement, 3x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is required equation of the straight line, right? Next, find the equation of the line whose slope is 2. Find the equation of the line whose slope is 2 and x-intercept 3 and x-intercept plus 3. In this case, what they have given? Slope of the line they have given as well as x-intercept they have given. Suppose y-intercept is given, then this is the formula. Y equal to mx plus c is equation of the line when slope and y-intercept is given. But in this case, slope m they have given and in this case x-intercept. What is notation for x-intercept? X-intercept notation is small d, right? X-intercept small d. Slope of the line and x-intercept is given. Then what is the formula? Equation of the line when slope and x-intercept is given. What is formula? Y is equal to m into x minus d. This formula is applicable when slope and x-intercept is given. This formula is applicable when slope and y-intercept is given. Slope and y-intercept formula, y equal to mx plus c. Slope and x-intercept, y is equal to m into x minus d, right? After that, y is equal to m value 2, x value unknown remains as it is and d value they given. Now rearrangement, y is equal to 2x minus 6, that's equal to 2x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is required equation of the straight line, right? Next problem, find the equation of the straight line or simply line. Find the equation of the line whose slope minus 3 by 2 and x-intercept minus 8, right? Find the equation of the line whose slope is minus 3 by 2 and x-intercept. Slope and x-intercept they have given, right? Slope and x-intercept. Slope means small m, right? and x intercept notation small d, right? Small d value and m value they have given, right? Then y is equal to formula. When slope and x intercept is given, then what is formula? Then y is equal to m into x minus d. This is formula applicable whenever slope and x intercept is given. Here d is x intercept of the line and m is slope of the line, right? Then y is equal to, what is m value? Minus 3 by 2 into x minus, here d value itself is negative, so minus of minus 8, right? After that cross multiplication, 2y is equal to minus 3 into x plus 8, right? After that 2y is equal to minus 3x minus 24. Just take these two terms into LHS, right? Then it becomes minus 3x becomes plus 3x plus 2y plus 24 equal to 0. This is equation of the straight line whose x intercept is minus 8 and slope is minus 3 by 2, right? Next problem, find the equation of the line whose x and y intercepts are 2 and 3. Find the equation of the line whose x and y intercepts are 2 and 3. Means x intercept 2 and y intercept 3. In this case, both x intercept as well as y intercepts are given. Then which formula is applicable? In this case, both x intercept as well as y intercept is given, right? Small a is x intercept of the line, right? And small b is y intercept. In this case, x intercept as well as y intercepts are given, right? Suppose x intercept and y intercepts are given, then what is the formula? Equation of the straight line in intercept form, right? Already you know equation of the straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Whenever x intercept and y intercepts are given, x divided by what is a value? 2 plus y divided by 3, that's equal to 1. This is required equation of the straight line, or else just taking LCM and simplify, or else simply write this expression, right? This is equation of the line whenever both x intercept as well as y intercepts are given. Next problem, find the equation of the line whose x intercept and y intercepts are minus 3 and 7. Find the equation of the line whose x and y intercepts are minus 3 and 7. Means x intercept minus 3 and y intercept plus 7, right? Standard notations, small a is x intercept and small b is y intercept. In this case also small a value and small b values are given. Small a and small b means x intercept as well as y intercept, right? Then equation is, standard equation of the line is x divided by a plus y divided by b equal to 1, right? After that simply replace a value as well as b value. X divided by minus 3 plus y divided by 7 is equal to 1. Otherwise you can simplify, right? Just taking LCM and simplification. Next, find the equation of the line whose x intercept and y intercepts are minus 1 and plus 1. Whose x and y intercepts are minus 1 and plus 1. X intercept minus 1, y intercept plus 1. means small a is equal to -1 and small b is equal to +1. In this case, both x intercept as well as y intercepts they have given. Suppose x intercept and y intercepts are given, then what is the formula? It is exactly same as previous one, right? Required equation is clearly x divided by a plus y divided by b equal to +1. After that, replace small a value and small b value, right? Then x divided by -1 plus y divided by +1 equal to 1. This is required equation, right? Next problem. Next question, find the equation of the line passing through -3, 2 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and -3, 6. Once again I will read the question, right? Find the equation of the line passing through -3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and -3, 6. Right? This is the question. This is question number 10 in exercise 10.2, right? In exercise 10.2, question number 10. Find the equation of the line passing through -3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and -3, 6. This is the given question, right? In this case, our required line, suppose this is our required line, means we need to find equation of this line. I will take this as L. This line passing through the point, it passes through which point? -3, 5, right? -3, 5, and one more condition they have given, right? What is that condition? This line is perpendicular to one more line. This is our required line and it is perpendicular to one more line. It passes through the points. It passes through the point. Passes through the points 2, 5 and 2, 5 and -3, 6. Instead of taking L, I will take, this is AB and this line is taken as CD, right? This is the given question. Find the equation of the line through -3, 5 and it is perpendicular to line joining these 2 points, right? For finding equation of the line, what are the requirements? For finding equation of the straight line, we need at least 2 things, slope and one point, or 2 points, or y intercept and slope, or x intercept and slope, or 2 intercepts, right? For finding equation of the straight line, we need at least 2 conditions. In this case, one of the point they have given, right? Our required line passing through -3, 5 means take this as x1, y1. x1, y1 is equal to -3, 5. This is x1, y1. But for finding equation of the line, we need slope. For finding equation of CD, we need slope of CD. But for finding slope of CD, just find slope of AB, right? We can find slope of AB, but directly we can't find slope of CD, right? Right? Slope of AB. Tell me what is slope of AB? AB slope. Slope of line AB. just by using 2-point formula. Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 6 minus 5 divided by x2 minus x1, right, minus 3 minus 2, that's equal to 1 divided by minus 5 means minus 1 divided by 5. It is slope of AB, but we need slope of CD. Tell me what is slope of CD? Already you know one result. If two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes equal to minus 1. For example, it is line 1 and it is line 2. Suppose slope of line 1 is m1 and slope of line 2 is m2. Suppose two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes equal to minus 1. In that, one of the slope is known. Slope of m1 is equal to, slope of line 1 is equal to negative reciprocal of slope of line 2. If two lines are perpendicular, then slope of one line is equal to negative reciprocal of slope of other line. Means slope of CD is equal to, CD is our required line, right? Then what is slope of CD? Once slope of AB is minus 1 by 5, then slope of CD is equal to minus 1 divided by slope of CD, right? Because product of, not CD, it is AB, right? Product of slopes equal to minus 1, right? Slope of AB line into slope of CD line is equal to, what is the result? Minus 1. Product of slopes equal to minus 1. Why? Because clearly given two lines are perpendicular. But here slope of AB is known, but slope of CD is unknown. Then slope of CD equal to, send this term into RHS, then you get this formula, right? Slope of CD is equal to minus 1 divided by slope of AB, that's equal to. Now minus 1 divided by minus 1 divided by 5. Denominator of denominator becomes in the numerator and negative sign will be get cancelled. Means slope of this CD line is 5. Now you get slope of CD and one of the point. Then use slope point formula, right? After this, just find the equation. Now, required equation is, which formula we have to use? Slope of CD is known, that is m is equal to 5, right? From the given data, we already find slope of required line is 5 and one of the point. Slope point formula, y is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, right? This formula is applicable in this case while finding equation of CD. Next, y minus, in this case which one is y1 value? This is our y1 value, that's equal to, what is m value? M is also 5 into x minus, what is x1? This is x1, minus of minus 3, right? Now usual simplification, y minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 15, right? Minus into minus, it will be plus. Now just rearrangement, take these two terms into RHS, then it will be 5x minus y plus 20 equal to 0. This is equation of our required line. Equation of CD is 5x minus y plus 20 equal to 0. Slope and one point. Understanding question is very important, right? Which data they have given, you should identify. Then find the equation of the line, right? Next problem. Next problem, in exercise 10.2 11th question, right? Exercise 10.2, in that 11th question, a line perpendicular to line segment joining 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 3, right, divides it in the ratio of 1:n, 1 is to small n, right? Full point, find the equation of the line. A line perpendicular to line segment joining the points. One of the line is perpendicular to line segment joining the points. For which points? For 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 3. A line, one of the line which is perpendicular to line segment joining the points 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 3, and it divides it in the ratio of 1:n. Then find the equation. Our required line is perpendicular to this line AB. It is one of the condition, right? This is our required line, and take this as CD line, right? Our required line is perpendicular to this line, and this CD line divides AB in the ratio of 1:n, and take this point as some R, right? This line, CD line, divides AB line in the ratio of 1:n. Then find the equation of the line. Find coordinates of R by using section formula. Find the coordinates of R by using section formula. There are two conditions, right? One is our required line is perpendicular to AB line, it is one condition. Here CD line is our required line. A line means CD line. A line perpendicular to line joining these 2 points. One of the line which is perpendicular to line joining these 2 points, and it divides AB line in the ratio of 1:n. Then find the equation of CD line. Then our required line is perpendicular to AB line. Then first find slope. Then what is slope of AB line? Tell me slope of AB line. AB line by using 2-point formula. Slope of line joining 2 points, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 1, that's equal to 3 only. First find slope of AB. AB slope is 3. Then tell me what is slope of CD. Slope of CD is equal to, clearly AB line is perpendicular to CD line. AB line is perpendicular to CD means product of their slopes equal to -1, or else slope of CD is equal to -1 divided by, yes, -1 divided by slope of AB, right? Then -1 divided by 3. This is slope of CD, right? Slope of CD is -1 by 3. After getting slope, for finding equation of CD, we need one of the point on CD, right? Then what are the coordinates of R? By using section formula. What is section formula? Coordinates of point which divides line joining given 2 points. Already you know section formula. Some point x1 comma y1 and another point B of x2 comma y2. One of the point P, R, take it as R, it divides it in the ratio of m:n. Then coordinates of R is equal to formula. Coordinates of R is equal to mx2, right? Mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and similarly y coordinate my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. If one of the point divides line joining given 2 points, then its coordinates are mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Apply this formula here for finding coordinates of R, right? Already you know section formula for internal division. Coordinates of capital R is equal to, by using section formula, coordinates of R is equal to, first write the formula, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and similarly y coordinate my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, right? This point A coordinates is taken as x1 y1 and B coordinates is taken as x2 y2, right? Then what are the coordinates of R? Tell me coordinates of R. What are the coordinates of R by using this formula? In this case m value is 1 and n value is n itself. This formula, whenever point divides it in the ratio of m is to n, in this case m value 1 and n value is n only. M, what is m? 1. 1 into x2, what is x2 value? That is 2. M x2 plus n x1, what is x1? That is 1, divided by 1 plus n, right? 1 plus n, why? Because m plus n is there. mx2 means 1 into 2 plus nx1, n into 1 is n. Similarly, for the y coordinate my2, that is 3 into 1, my2 plus ny1, what is y1? Clearly 0, right? n into 0, whole thing divided by 1 plus n. Next, 2 plus n only. 2 into 1 into 2 is 2 and n into 1 is n. Then after that we get 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n. Then 3 plus 0 divided by 1 plus n, that's equal to 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, comma 3 divided by 1 plus n. This is coordinates of R. Now we have R coordinates and its slope. What is slope of this CD line? Already known, that is minus 1 by 3. Slope minus 1 by 3 and point. Use slope point formula, right? This is the point, one point and its slope. Use slope and point formula. Required equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, right? R coordinates are taken as 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, comma 3 divided by 1 plus n. This point is x1 comma y1, right? This point is x1 y1 and m is already known, that is minus 1 by 3, right? Then y minus, what is y1? That is 3 divided by 1 plus n, that's equal to, what is m value? Minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1. This is our x1 value, that is 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, right? After that, taking LCM, then 1 plus n into y minus 3, whole thing divided by 1 plus n, that's equal to minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus n into x minus of 2 plus n, whole thing divided by 1 plus n, both the sides 1 plus n will be get cancelled. After that again rearrangement. After that rearrangement, cross multiplication, then it will be 3 into 1 plus n, 3 into 1 plus n into y, just multiply 3 means it will be minus 9, right? Multiply this 3 into this term, then 3 into 1 plus n into y, and for minus 3 it will be minus 9, that's equal to minus of 1 plus n into x, minus of minus it will be plus 2 plus n, right? Now take these two terms into LHS. Then it will be 1 plus n into x plus 3 into 1 plus n into y, and take these two terms into LHS, then it will be minus of n plus 11 equal to 0. This is our required equation of the line. Equation of the line passing through this point having slope this, right? Thank you.